oza nendlebe ngize nendaba alethi hey yazi ngike ngayizima kwabo la ithi yena we need to fix this relationship so that crime does not suffer. Hayi bafethu yabona usibiya bafethu ayingqwele le hayi no ingqwele uyabona mina in a situation like that ngavele nje ngithi bafethu ngonile cela uxolo ngone kakhulu ngicela uxolo angeke ungibone ngilokhu ngifasisa ngifuna ukuchaza into engachazeka ichaze kuphela ethi yabona bafethu inkinga esinayo ne kakhulu ukuthi lapha kwa SAPS bungenile kakhulu ubugebengu futhi kudala bangena le nto leya iyadinga ukuthi i-portfolio committee yangapha kwa safety and security ikingenelele lapha kwa SAPS bafethu. In fact not just SAPS even kulaba amaphoyisa omasipala ke kucheckwe ukuthi abantu baqhashwa kanjani, because that is the problem. Indlela yokuqhasha abantu lapha nala ngikhona indlela yokuqhasha abantu lapha, because abantu abaqhashwa lapha akusibo abantu who wants to be police. It's people who are able to pay a bribe either by cash or by ngubo enoboya. Yabona, so those are the issues ukuthi abantu baqhashwa lapha yana ngendlela engekho emthethweni. So angeke umuntu aqhashwe ngendlela engekho emthethweni ebesithi we will expect that person to execute umsebenzi wakhe ngendlela esemthethweni. That person will always yabona lento nje kaSibiya konke lapha akaqhasha khona selokho yena ephuma endleleni. Such people ingoba baqhashwa ngokusemthethweni, it's not fair ukuqhashwa kwabo to other people. That's why uma ulalela bembuzisisa lapha yana ngama interviews akawezi ukuthi interview obani kanjani wafika kamasipala waqhashwa kanjani, yonke leyo nto leyo they are doing they are going to do a research ukuthi kahle lo muntu lo endaweni akake yosebenza kuzo ubesebenza ngokuyikho okanye ubevele eqhashiwe ukuthi ezophusha ama-agenda abanye abantu. That is the problem, ukuthi abantu abaqhashwa ngokusemthethweni guys. That's the problem. Umuntu uqhashwa ngokuthi uyikhiphile imali ebese nikeza iposition okanye ubanikile lokho bebekucela. Uyabo abanye ke ngiyengizwe bethi ilokhuzana iCV enoboya, I don't know. Abanye abantu bayahamba baye ema-ofisini lapha bona bahamba baye ema-BNB beyokwazi ukuthi bazoqhasheka. So that is the problem guys. So such people abafana noSibiya kanje they didn't get that job in merit. They got that job because they paid. So abantu abaqhashweke ngokuthi bakhokhile bahlezi vele, they don't care, abayazi pain yokuyisokolela into uyithole kanzima. Bazi ukuthi nje bona once ukhipha imali wayithola into ishayile. Everywhere umuntu okhipha imali bayizothola. Sihlale sibabona la emgwaqeni umuntu ahambe ngo60 ku fast lane. Uma ngabe ummangalela mhlawumbe uphakamisa izandla akuthuke because he does not understand that person ukuthi uma ngabe ngihamba emgwaqeni I keep left I pass right. But ngoba uthengile they don't even bother ukuthi basifundise imithetho yemigwaqo, because bona all they have is money. I pay for everything, I pay for my position, I pay to get a license, all those things. It's a problem. Njengoba ngikutshela umuntu uhamba ku fast lane ngo60 fast lane on a freeway and ummangalela akazi yena because he does not understand ukuthi lento engenza wrong. Umthetho uthi I must keep left and pass right. Uma ufuna ukumdlula afaka u120 after 2 minutes angithi yena akajahile usekhohliwe usehamba futhi ngo60. Because why? Those people, they are not learned. They don't know what needs to happen. So that is the problem we have. Even kubantu abasebenza emsebenzini ehlukahlukene, even sister baqhashwa ngokufanayo. Yabo, even amaphoyisa omgwaqo aqhashwa ngokufanayo. They pay. They don't go through all the processes just like everyone. Bayakhokha. And that one is an issue. Result, we have so many Sibiyas out there. So many BS. That man, he can't even answer the question correctly. Sometimes when they ask him a question, he goes there instead of going here. He goes there. You don't know what he's looking for there. That is the problem that we have, guys.